So let's study chapter 16, Sarvaksiroga Pratishedha, part 2. So in the last class we studied the Adimanda and Abhishanda Hadadimanda. Now here in Ashtanga Hridaya Uttarasthana, chapter 16, we are going to study the rest of the Sarvakshiroga treatment. Sushkakshi Paka Chikitsa. Sushkakshi Pake Havishaha Panamakshanoscha Tarpanam Kritena Jivaniyena. So in Sushkakshi Paka, first we are doing which one? It is oleation therapy. Havisha Pana means drinking of the ghee. Next is Tarpanam Kritena Jivaniya. So Jivaniya Krita Tarpana. So tarpana means, that is a nourishing eye therapy, and this is done using the medicated ghee prepared with the Jivaniya Kana drugs, Jivaniya Krita. Next is Nasyam Thailena va Anuna, Parisheko Hidascha Atra Payaha, Koshnam sa Saindava. Nasyam Thailena va Anuna. So Nasya or Navana or nasal medication with Anuthaila. And the reference of Anuthaila you can find in chapter 20 of Sutrasthana. The next is Parisheka. Parisheko Hidascha Atra Payaha Koshnam Sasaindava. So Parisheka means what? Bathing the eye with a decoction. Here, what is the decoction here? The liquid medium is warm milk added with Saindava. Koshna Sasaindava. So Nasya and the Parisheka are the next steps. Now next is the fifth Anjana. One of the Anjana is Mahaushadadi Anjana. Sarparayuktam, Stanya Pishtam Anjanam cha Mahaushadam, Vasava Anoba Satvotha, Kinchit Saindava Nagara. So here, Mahaushadadi Anjana we are dealing. So Mahaushad or Nagara is Stanya Pishtam, means it is macerated with the breast milk. Now it is mixed with ghee or Anupa Vasa. So Vasa is the muscle fat of animal. So Anupa Vasa, it is mixed with Anupa Vasa or ghee. Then also a little of Saindava and Nagara, and it is done as Anjana. Should be applied as an Anjana. So Mahaushada, Stanya Pishta, and mixed with ghee or Anupa Vasa, also a little of Saindava and Nagara is done as Anjana. Now next Anjana. Gridhatan Darpane Krishtan Keshan Mallaga Sampude Dagdva Ajya Pishta Lahastasa Mashi Sreshta Manjana. Hair of a man smeared with the ghee should be burned, keeping them inside the Mallaka Sambuda. So Mallaka Sambuda means it is 2 earthen saucer. How we do this? So we take the hair of a person, a man, and it is smeared with ghee. It is placed inside 2 earthen saucer, and it is sealed well using the mud, and this is placed inside a heap of the cow dung and set on fire. And what we get? We get the mashi. Okay, mashi or ash taken out. Then macerated with ghee, put it in iron vessel, and this mashi is the best Anjana, Sreshta Anjana. Now next is the Sashopha and Alpa Shopha Chikitsa. Sashophe Alpa Shophecha Snigdasya Vyadhayet Sira. So in Sashopha as well as in Alpa Shopha, the patient is made Snigdha. So oleation therapy is the first one. Then Vyadhet Sira means Sira Vyadam or venesection. Then Regaha Snigdhe. Again we are lubricating the person. Then given Virega or purgation therapy. Next is Punardraksha Patya Kvada Trivart Kritaihi. Again is giving medicated ghee prepared with the decoction of Draksha, Patya and Trivart. Shveda Rodra Seka. So this is Shveda Rodra, not Lodra but Rodra. So this is, next is the Shveta Rodra Seka. Shveta Rodra Seka. श्वेतरौद्रं कृते पृष्टं चूर्णितः उष्णाम्बुना विमृदितं सेक शूलहरः परं तान्द्व स्थितं श्वेतरौद्र कृतपृष्टं means what? It is fried in ghee. And again churnitaha powdered kept in a cloth bag tandava sthitam ushnambuna mrutitam. So this is this cloth bag with shvetarautra fried in ghee is immersed in hot water. This water is poured into the eye. This is best to relieve pain, Shulaharam pain. So this is Sekam. Shveda Rodra Sekam. Darvi Prapoundarikasya Kwado Va Ashodane Hidam. This is an Ashodana. The Ashodana means again filling the eye. Decoction of Darvi and Prapoundarika is also good for Ashodana. Saindava Anchara. Saindavamsha Prayonjita Garsha Ragasru Rukhara. So Saindava Anchana we will describe again later. This is best for Garsha, friction, Raga, redness, Asru, flow of tears, and Rukhara, pain. Use of Tamra. Tamram lohe mutra krishtam prayuktam netre sarpirdhupidam vedanaptam. Tamram lohe mutra krishtam. So tamra means it is a copper. It is macerated on iron using the cow's urine, mutra. So a copper tumbler is rubbed on a flat iron pan using the cow's urine as a medium. And the resulting paste is collected. And what happens? Prayuktam netre sarpidhupidam. And this is the eye which has been exposed to the fumes of ghee. We are applying the anjana on that eye. And what is the benefit? It is Vedanagnam. It kills pain. Tamre Krishno Gavyadatnaha Sarova Yuktaha Krishna Saindavabhyam Varishtaha. Tamre Krishno Gavyadatno Sara means the Dadisara from the cow's milk. Dadisara, the salt of the curd prepared from the cow's milk. Tamre Krishti, it is rubbed on copper. Krishna Saindavabhyam Varishtaha, and this is applied to the eye. How? It is mixed with little quantity of the Krishna and Saindava, then applied to the eye. And again, this is best to relieve the pain of the eye. Saindava Anjana. So I told we will describe the Saindava Anjana later, and this is the formulation. Shankam tamre stanya prishtam gridaktehi shamyaha patrehi dhubidam tat Yavaisha netre yuktam hanti saindava sapnyam kshipram garsham vedanam cha adi tivra. Shanka is rubbed on tamra, copper, in stanya pushta, medium of the breast milk, gridaktehi shamyaha patrehi dobidam. And the resulting paste is exposed if exposed to the fumes of leaves of shami and yava. So first we rub the shanka on tamra. And what is the medium? The stanya, breast milk. Then this paste is exposed to the fumes of leaves of shami and yava. And this shami and yava are smeared with ghee and the fumes. Okay, and this, the resulting paste is exposed to the fumes of leaves of shami and yava smeared with ghee, and the paste thus obtained is applied to the eye as an anjana. This is the Saindava anjana. And the benefit is Shipram, quickly cures the Garsha, friction and Vedana, cha Aditibra. Even the severe pain is quickly cured. Use of Udumbara. Udumbara phalam lohe krishtam stanyena dhupidam. Sajjehi shamit shadde daha shula ragasru harshajit. Udumbara phala, that is the fruits of Udumbara, lohe krishtam stanyena. It is macerated with iron and breast milk. Dhupidam shamit shadde. Exposed to the fumes of leaves of shami smeared with ajjehi ghee, and this anjana is applied to eye, cures the daha, burning sensation, shula pain, raga redness, asru flow of tears, and harsha tingling. Use of shikru. Shikru pallava niryasaha sugrishtas tamra sampude gridena dhupido handi shobha garshasru vedanaha. So shikru pallava niryasa, the fresh juice of tender leaves of shikru, So, Grishta Stamra Sampude rubbed on a copper casket and Gridena Dhopido exposed to the fumes of ghee and applied to the eyes. This cures Shobha, swelling, Garsha, friction, Asru, flow of tears, and Vedana, pain. Now, Mrit Kabhaladi Anchana. तिलाम्बसा मृत्कभालं कांस्ये घृष्टं सुधूपितं निम्बपत्रैः घृताभ्यक्तैः घर्षशूलाश्रुराकचित्. So mritkabala means a broken piece of the object made of the baked clay. Tilambasa, kamse, krishtam, rubbed on bell metal with the water. Okay, sorry. Okay, I will again start. Tilambasa mritkabhalam. So mritkabhalam, a broken piece of the object made of baked clay. Tilambasa kamsi krishta. So this broken piece is rubbed on the bell metal, that is kamsya, with water in which tila soaked. So this is rubbed on bell metal in water which tila soaked. Sudobidam nimba patraihi. The paste and the paste thus obtained is exposed to the fumes of leaves of nimba smeared with ghee. This is applied as anchana, and again this cures garsha, friction, shula, pain, asru, excess flow of tear, and raga, redness. Stanya Ashodana. സന്താവേന അഞ്ചിതേ നേത്രേ വിഗതൌഷധവേദനെ സ്തന്യേന ആശോധനം കാര്യം ത്രിഹി പരം ന അഞ്ജനയേച്ച തൈഹി. സന്താവേന അഞ്ചിതേ നേത്രേ means eye which have been treated with, we already mentioned the Saindava Anjana, and when we have done the Saindava Anjana, then what happens? Vigada Aushadha Vedane. So with this Aushadha, the netra became pain free. Stanyena Ashodhanam Karyam Trihi Param. So that ice should be given Ashodhana with breast milk. How many times? 3 times. So na Anjane Echataihi. This Saindava Anjana should not be applied more than 3 times. So the maximum time we can apply is 3. More than that we should not do Saindava Anjana. Talisa Patradi Anjana. Talisa Patra Jabalanadaloha रजो अंजनैः जातिमुगलकासीस सैन्धवैः मूत्रपेशितैः ताम्रमालिप्य सप्ताहं धारयेत् पेशयेत् ततः. So what are the drugs mentioned here? It is Talisapatra, Chabala, Nada, Loharaja. Loharaja means iron filing. Anjana, buds of Adi, Kasisa and Saindava. All these drugs are Mutrapeshidaihi, means macerated with cow's urine. Tamram alipya, pasted on a copper vessel. Saptaham, allowed to stay for 7 days. So these drugs have macerated with the cow's urine, pasted on the copper vessel, should be allowed to sit for 7 days. Then what happens? Mutrenaiva anu gudikaha karya chaya vishoshitaha taha stanya krishta. Later this is taken out. Then again macerated with the cow's urine. And that is rolled into gudlika or pills. Chaya vishoshidaha. Then it is dried in shade. Stanya krishta. That made into paste with breast milk and applied to ice. Garsha asru shobha kandu vinashana. So what are the benefits? It cures garsha, friction, asru, excess of tears, shobha swelling and kandu itching. Vyakritwakadi dhoma. Vyakritwang madhukam tamrarajo ajakshira kalkidam shamya amalaka patra ajya dhupidam shobaruk pranut. Bark of Vyakri, Madhuga, Tamra, Raja, that is a copper filing, are made into paste with God's milk. Aja, Kshira, Kalkidam. Then what happened? Shamya, Amalaka, Patra, Ajya, Dhupidam, exposed to the fumes of leaves of Shami and Amalaka, smeared with ghee. Now, smeared with ghee, they are used as Anchana and cure Shobha swelling and root pain. Amloshitha Chikitsa. Amloshitha Prayunjita Pitta Abhishanda Sadhana. In Amloshitha, the treatment are the same as were prescribed for Abhishanda caused by Pitta. So, Amloshitha we do Pitta Abhishanda treatment. Now, next is the Pilla Roga that we will deal in next slide. So, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.